This past month has been insane compared to others. But for at least what I'm doing now, the teaching and traveling has something I've always been dreaming about since I was little, especially watching Tony teach everywhere, travel, never home ever. And I was like, I want to do that. I don't want to be in school. I don't want to do all this, all that. So now that I'm finally here, especially because I'm only 19, it's I didn't know that I would be here at this time. So right now I'm kind of there's nothing really that I'm I have goals and everything, but as of right now, what I want to do later, I'm kind of just going with the flow and seeing what happens, because where I am right now, I didn't know it was going to happen. So I'm kind of just going with it, working, training, do as much as I can, and kind of see what comes out of it.